Good morning! Welcome to week 8 of our Fall 2020 Raising a Reader program. I hope that you all had a great Thanksgiving last week. After this week, we just have 2 more weeks of Raising a Reader. Raising a Reader is a collaboration between the Colusa County Free Library Literacy Program, First 5 Colusa, and the Colusa County Office of Education and Literacy for All initiative. This week, we're going to read a really fun book called Little Blue Truck. Let's take a peek at the cover and see what kind of animals are in the Little Blue Truck. Can you name 2 animals that you see on this cover? Let's read the story and find out more. Little Blue Truck, written by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. There's Toad. Do you see him winking? Sheep said baa. Cow said moo. Oink, said a piggy. Beep, said Blue. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma, said a goat. Blue said, what do you think Blue said? Beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Is the Blue Truck being nice to everyone that he meets? Honk, yelled a dump truck. Coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Is the dump truck being nice to everyone that he meets? Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Uh-oh, he's stuck in the mud. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared. But nobody heard, or nobody cared. Why do you think that they might not care to help the dump truck? Do you think that maybe because he wasn't very nice to them, they don't really want to help him? Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Uh-oh. I wonder how they're going to get out of the mud now. Help, 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 cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, beep, beep. I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, They all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? Look at the toad's muscles in this picture. Do you think he's strong? All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. They all worked together to get them unstuck. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Do you think that the dump truck learned something today? Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Do you think they're all gonna fit? Beep, beep, beep. And that is the end of the little blue truck. Thank you for joining us this week for Raising a Reader. Don't forget to stop and grab your bags from your local library branch. We'll see you again next Monday. Bye!